Hi everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. If you have an event coming up, I want you to check this out. I was on the hunt for the best disposable dinnerware for a big event and I found them at Festiva. They have these amazing sets that includes everything you need. Dinner plates, dessert plates, cups, napkins, and cutlery. And it's perfect for 50 guests. And guess what? These pieces are super sturdy. I used them at my event and not a single one broke or chipped. The set has this cool square shape with a golden rim, and it adds a nice touch of elegance to the whole dining experience. The napkins are super soft and fluffy too. Festiva has a bunch of different shapes and colors of disposable dinnerware, so you can find something that fits your style. I promise you will love the quality and the design. You won't regret getting these set of disposable plates, but that's just my point of view.